In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to add a new user to your Google Ads account and explain how access permissions work. Whether you're bringing in a team member, hiring a freelancer, or just delegating some responsibilities, understanding user access ensures your account stays secure and well organized. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where all of your campaigns, reports, and account tools live. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner for the sign in button. Click that and log in using the Google account connected to your ad account. After logging in, you'll be taken straight to the Google Ads dashboard, which is the central place where you manage everything related to your advertising. Now that you're inside your dashboard, the next step is to find the admin section. Depending on your layout, this is either in the left-hand navigation menu or under the tools icon at the top of the page. Click on admin to open the settings area. This section allows you to control how your account operates, including billing, security, and of course, user access. Inside the admin panel, look for the option labeled Access and Security. This is a key section because it lists every user who currently has access to your Google Ads account. Here, you can adjust roles, remove old users, and invite new ones. Go ahead and click on Access and Security, and you'll see a full overview of the accounts and the level of permission assigned to each user. To add someone new, find the Add button. It's usually toward the top of the page. Click it, and a small window will appear asking for the user's email address. Make sure you enter it carefully, as Google will send the invitation directly to that email. Below the email field, you'll see several access levels, such as admin, standard, or read-only. Choose the role that matches what the person needs. For example, admin access is very powerful and allows major changes, while standard is ideal for most team members who help manage campaigns. Once you've selected the correct permission level, review everything one more time to make sure it's accurate, then click Send Invitation. Google Ads will email the user right away. All they need to do is accept the invitation to start working inside the account. Until they accept it, their status will show as pending in your user list. And that's all it takes. Adding users and assigning the right permissions keeps your account secure while still allowing your team to work efficiently. It's a simple process, but understanding these roles can make a big difference in how smoothly your Google Ads operations run. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides.